everyone, it's me, Beeki Shrestha, and one of the group members of eHome Service Management. Today, I'm going to talk about the Sprint 5, which is based on technician module. I'm also going to do a little briefing about the work completed by each group members in this sprint and the work we will be doing in the upcoming Sprint 6. So let's start with the Jira first. So as you can see in the background of my PC, the roadmap of eHome Service Management, where you can see the technician module. So it has 5 different user story points. So the first one is, as a technician, I can view and operate my profile, which is assigned by Jonish Gurung. As a technician user, I can log in into the system. This is assigned by Anmol Shrestha. As a technician, I can reviews and ratings that customers gives, which is assigned by me. As a technician, I can see history of my services, which is assigned by Dipu Shrestha. As a technician user, I will get timely notification whenever customer sends request. This is assigned by the Shiva Thapa. So let's start with the work completed in this Sprint 5 by each group members. So the first one, let's start with the Anmol Shrestha's work. Starting with CSS, HTML, Bootstrap, he made responsive UI design for review page where technicians can see review after completing his service. He also wrote backend logic of this work and queries for fetch data. In the next sprint, he will work on queries and backend implementations of client module and integrate UI of giving reviews and collaborate with team members, and will work on other features of app also. So let's talk about the Shiva Thapa's work. He worked on showing notification to the technicians as soon as request is processed, and his major concerns was to just display notification to the client and write backend logic of this work. In next sprint, he will work further on subcategories with integrate front-end design with backend implementation. Let's start with the Jonish Gurung's work. He worked on models and database validation and wrote queries for displaying details to technicians after getting notification where he can get customer data to proceed a request. He wrote backend logic and database queries for this work and gave necessary joins between tables for optimizations. In next sprint, he will work on admin module and will integrate UI with backend implementation and database queries. And let's start with Dipu Shrestha's work. He worked on backend implementation of transaction history where technicians can see all his transactions which he completes. He also worked on database queries and wrote optimized queries. In the next sprint, he will work on admin and client module and will implement payment and method for the application. So finally, let's talk about the work done by me. I made responsive UI design for view page or profile where technicians can see its profile, and he also gave option to update its profile. I also wrote backend logic of this work and wrote queries for update and fetch data. In the next sprint, I will work on queries and backend implementation of client module and backend implementation of roles, rights and permissions, and collaborate with team members also. So I'm going to stop my presentation right here, and my friend Jonish Gurung will start from this point. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonish Gurung and I'm one of the member of the eHome Service Management. These 2 weeks we are working on the Sprint 5, and on this Sprint 5 we work on the technician module, as my friend here already have mentioned on the Jira. So let's skip this part and let me go to our website. And due to some technical issues, we are unable to add some of our services and the other information in our hosting site. So we change our hosting site currently, and we are unable to connect all of the information on the database. So I'm going through the sign processes. Let me show you the sign. So as a customer, if you are new, so you can do sign up, and also you can connect through the social networking like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. As I have already signed up, let me go to the process and let me sign in. So whenever you sign in, you will see the home pages, but later on we will keep the signing processes also in the same pages. So in the home, as you can see, it's a home services with a picture over there, and what are the services we are providing here, and as a team what our responsibilities will be, and what we are giving our best to our customer. And the easiest way to contact is also over here, and our address, our email address, our contact is also given there. Beside that, let me go to about us. So this page include our what we are and what we are doing on this website. Also there are some of the features like we are 24/7 available, and there is no hidden taxes. Also there is a security and guarantee of the money back if you have any issues or any payment issues with our groups or our members. Also why choose us, because as we have also mentioned, like it is our 3 years experience as a example we have given that, and it is our expertise. And we also include our picture of the team members. As you can see, all of the 5 members are available there as an admin. So let me go to the services. In the services, you can see we included plumber, electrician and carpenter. Besides that, we are going to include landscaping and many more. If you go to the electrician, there is nothing right now, but we are going to put some information over there. As an admin, let me show one of the example. We are working on cool admin. Let me give one of the example like wiring per hour, like 40 example. 214756904 as a phone number. Category electrician. Okay, this is an example. $50. Wiring. Let me see the images also. Okay. So now whenever you refresh the page on the services, so we are going to add our services like this as an admin. And moreover, for the contact us, the phone may be busy most of the time, so the easiest way to get contact is through the email. You just have to put your full name, email address and message, so that our members will see the information about you and they can contact directly. So for the Sprint5 we are working right now till now, and for the Sprint6 we are going to add more information. I think we will complete all of the tasks in the Sprint6. So due to some technical reasons, we are unable to complete all of the tasks in the right now. So we'll be working on the payment method, and we're going to add various types of services. Yeah, thank you.